Hi everyone. Today we're going to read a book about counting and it's called Mouse Count. And then after we read the story, we'll do a little counting activity together that you can also do at home. So this is called Mouse Count by Ellen Stoll Walsh. And you can help me count throughout the book when we need to count. One fine day, some mice played in the meadow. They were careful to watch for snakes. Can you count all the mice in this picture? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mice. But when the mice got sleepy, they forgot about snakes, and they all took naps. While they slept, a hungry snake went looking for dinner. On his way, he found a nice big jar. "I will fill this jar with dinner," he said. What do you think the snake is going to do? It wasn't long before he found 3 mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep. "First I will count them, and then I will eat them up," said the snake. Mouse count number 1. 1 mouse. How many mice now? 2. Then how many here? 1, 2, 3. He dropped them into the jar, but he was very hungry. 3 mice were not enough. Soon he found 4 more mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep, and he counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the snake was very, very hungry, and 7 mice were not enough. And last he found 3 more mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep, and he counted them. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then last is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mice are enough. "Now I am going to eat you up, little, warm, and tasty," said the snake. "Wait," said one of the mice. "The jar isn't full yet, and look at the big mouse over there." The snake was very greedy. He hurried off to get the big mouse. So let's see what he's going to find. And while he was gone, the mice rocked the jar one way and another way. What are the mice trying to do? Until over it went. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The little mice uncounted themselves and ran home. So they tricked the snake. They told him there was a big mouse over there, but there wasn't any mice over there. The snake reached the big mouse, but it was only a cold, hard rock. They really tricked him. And when he got back, the jar was empty. The end. So great job counting with me in this story. Next, we're going to do a counting activity. Okay, next we're going to do a little math activity. So I want you to get something at home that you can use for counting. It could be a toy or an object or anything you want. I'm going to use little oranges because I have a lot of oranges at home. So I'm going to use them for counting. So what we're going to do is practice adding. That's a little bit of math. So you can help me while I count. So if I have one orange here and one orange here, we put them together, how many do they make? 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Good. How about let's try 2 plus 1. So we have 2 oranges and 1 orange. And if we add them together, how many do they make? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's try 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. You could do any combination of numbers. So we can also do 3 plus 2. So what is 3 plus 2? Let's see, put them together. They make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. And let's try another one. Let's try a bigger one. So here I have 4. And here I have 4. What is 4 plus 4? We have to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what if I do 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5 is, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That also equals 8. And let's try one more together. What is, using all of them now, what is 5 plus 5? Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. So you can try this at home with your toys or with fruits or anything you have at home. You can try this counting game. Have fun.